Bay Area Derby is an organization where we try to empower the non-dominant culture through roller skating and quad skating.
So both Bay Area Derby and Skate Like a Girl are 501c3 nonprofits. So everything we do is community driven, volunteer, donations. We're always fundraising.
It's nice that I can help create a space like this for other people my age and people younger than me, for next generations, just that we have somewhere to go to skate, because sometimes it's kind of intimidating to go to a skate park. It's nice to know that there's a space for us, you know, it's not affected by the weather, and that we have with like people who support us, who can help us stay safe and just help us learn, so that we don't have to just jump in and be afraid of what's going on around us.
I hate skateboarding in public, and it's really nice that we're going to have a space here to skate in, to feel safe, and yeah, do our thing.
It really takes a village, like everyone.
Everybody.
And it's fun, like it's exciting to come together and build something ourselves.
Yeah.